What is up, YouTube? Jonny B here again today, and we are gonna be doing a little bit more mods to the Fiesta ST. And now is another upgrade that desperately needs to be done, because when you want to go to the track, when you want to go really fast at the autocross, you need brakes. Brakes may not seem that important, right? Like, if I upgrade my brakes, it's not gonna make my car go faster, Jonny. Well, on the track, it will make your lap times faster, because the faster you can brake, the later you can brake as you're driving, the faster your times will be. So better brakes equals better times, and then also it's a safety thing. So if you're on the street, let's say someone cuts you off, your brakes aren't that good, bam, right into the back of the car. We don't want that, right? So since this one's a daily driver, we want to have some nice brakes, so that way you can stop on a dime, just like have the shortest travel distance, just to be able to get out of sticky situations, and also have the power as well, just to get out of situations like that. So you want to have the best of both worlds, right? This is a mod that a lot of people never do in their life. They'll run with the stock caliper, they'll run with the stock rotors. This is what they look like. These are the rears, that's why they look so tiny. We're gonna be upgrading the rears and fronts to something a whole lot meatier. Did I say meatier or meatier? But let me show you what we got. Here is the rotor. As you can see, it is a 13-inch 330 millimeter rotor. That their floating rotors are two-piece rotors, so aluminum centers with steel outers. We didn't go with carbon ceramic just because those are a little bit expensive, but these will break, these will do the job for this little car. And to add with those, we're going to be adding some new calipers. So these are case boards. This is the rear, so this will be the front for a lot of people, but we're going to be putting these in the rear. This is a 4-pot, so as you guys can see, they are gorgeous. Compared to the rears, these things are massive that come in this car, so it's going to be a nice upgrade, and I'm curious to see how well they're going to be stopping. So let's go ahead and start installing these, and we'll be opening the box to install the fronts as well. So let's get to it. Brakes are done, guys. Finally got them all installed. This is looking amazing. I did not know that, you know, this brake kit would be so nice. When you get it, it comes really well packaged. It comes with all kinds of like little brochures, a little bit of like information about K-Sport, an installation booklet, everything. It's all done really professional. It even comes with like some additional stickers that are like in carbon fiber, so that's pretty amazing. They come like in a nice little K-Sport pamphlet, and like, I don't know, it just made it seem like this kit is just like super high class, and for the price, it was a really good deal. K-Sport is a local company here in Phoenix. I do a lot of I've dealt with them a lot for suspension for coilovers and stuff like that, because they have some of the best stuff, you know, at a reasonable price. It's like saying BC Racing in Florida, or some other brands like in California and stuff like that. K-Sport is the brand that we have here in Phoenix. They're local. We could literally order stuff and go pick it up at their warehouse, and they have them. These brakes were about a month wait that we waited for them. We had to spec them out because the Fiesta doesn't really have a big brake kit that they make, so we had to go ahead and take measurements of everything. That took probably like 3-4 hours, just trying to measure everything in millimeters, and everything had to be exact. I think we took probably about like 30 different measurements just for the fronts, and then another like 30 or 20 for the rear. They had a little bit less in the back, but still, after, you know, giving them all those little tiny measurements, they went ahead and made a custom big brake kit for us that, you know, no one else has, because no one's ever made it through them, at least. And we've been looking around for rear brakes for the Fiesta, a rear brake kit, and nobody had made one at all. So that's why we decided to go this route, go custom, to go with something that was going to be very performance oriented. And some of you guys may be saying, this is way too much brake for that car, Johnny, but you know, that's how we like it. That's how we like to go all out. We want something that's going to be working. You know, if we're going to spend the money, we want it to be the best that it can be, and not like go with something cheap and something like that. It's going to be a street car. We're going to take it to the track sometimes, so the brakes are going to be working amazing for that, and they're going to be amazing on the street. It's going to be a huge safety thing as well, to be able to slam on your brakes in case, you know, someone crashes in front of you, or something, just, you know, somebody just cuts you off, or just some moment where you really need brakes. This is going to come in handy. So they're enormous, they look amazing, and they're going to perform amazing. So that's what I like about modifying cars. So we're gonna go ahead and end the video here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing, you know, the before and after of how we transformed the brake system to what it is now. And now we just got to get to the boring part, which is going to be bleeding. So we'll save you that part. As always, you guys have a great day.